it's time to skill up your design knowledge on FFF. Chances are, you're here because you found some interest in filament-based printers, or at least how they work. Perhaps you are already familiar with working with the technology and would love to bring just a little bit more to the table. If that's the case, this class is for you. In this class, we'll go over some key design considerations for filament-based technologies, call it pro tips and tricks if you will, but these design considerations will bring your design understanding and level up your skills to better produce amazing parts using the FFF technology. In this class, we'll go over how to design for clean edges, how to ensure your parts fit together the way that you've envisioned them. If you're seeking better insight into these, and designing for FFF is something you want to master, I look forward to seeing you in this class. Join me when you're ready so we can make sure that your FFF prints come out the way that you expect it every single time.